Hello, I'm Stan Boney.
I'm Lindsay Watson. The fate of Trumbull Regional Medical Center and possible new owner could be decided next week. Tonight, we learned an emergency hearing has been scheduled for Tuesday in Texas. According to court documents, the hearing will look to extend the closure deadline and at a possible change in ownership for Trumbull Regional, Hillside, and its satellite facilities. Western Reserve Health Education, a nonprofit organization, is attempting to keep the hospital open with a $20.5 million bid. That money was raised through several entities, including the City of Warren, Trumbull County, and public donations. Now, we've told you about the meetings to discuss how to save these facilities.
But until tonight, there hasn't been a rally to support the cause. But tonight, there was. First News reporter Abigail Cloutier was there and has our top story at 11.
It was one of many rallying cries outside of Trumbull Regional Medical Center Thursday night. The looming hospital closure will affect over 900 union employees.
This is all a result of corporate greed, and it lays at the feet of Stewart Medical Group.
I spoke with several registered nurses at risk of losing their livelihoods.
My wife and I are both registered nurses here at the hospital, so we're losing our whole household income.
All of them shared concerns not only for themselves, but for their patients who they worry will suffer without TRMC and other workers at the hospital not represented by unions.
Our cleaning staff, our cooks, our aides, dietary, I don't know how easily they're going to be able to get a job.
Andrea and Delaney Ayers were supporting Delaney's dad. He's been a maintenance worker at the hospital for 44 years.
Not knowing if he's going to have a job. We're kind of in limbo right now.
Please help all the people out here that are losing their jobs. It's really important for them and their families.
Paul LaPaula is one of many patients who worries about his quality of care if TRMC closes.
I hate to see this. I really do. Because this is a great hospital. Being in this hospital at certain times in my life, it just brings tears to my life. 3
AFSCME locals plus the SEIU and ONA were there fighting for their employees, other emergency medical workers, and even other unions, all there in solidarity.
The workers from this hospital have saved thousands of lives of the UAW members and a lot of people throughout this community. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We need to make sure this hospital stays here.
Warren City Council and the Trumbull County Commissioners have already plunged millions of dollars in hopes of finding a buyer, keeping the hospital doors open. AFSCME tonight also pledging $300,000 to the cause. Warren Mayor Doug Franklin reassuring the crowd his work isn't done.
We're going to stand strong. We're going to stand with you. And we're going to keep fighting for you tooth and nail, and I promise you.
In Warren, Abigail Cloutier, WKBN 27 First News.
Earlier today, Ohio Senator Sherrod Brown was in the Valley. He says he's working to see what he can do to help save the local Stewart-owned hospitals from closing. While he doesn't know just yet what the state or federal government can do, Brown says he'll continue to fight.
It's another slap in the face of the Valley. It's nurses, it's doctors, it's other employees, and first of all, it's patients. And people need care, and too often this has happened.
Back in May, Brown sent a letter to Steward's CEO urging him to work with area stakeholders to make sure that both Steward employees and patients were prioritized. And you can keep up to date with any new developments involving Steward Health and its plans to close local hospitals. Stay connected with WKBN.com or the First News app. Hi, everyone. I'm Lindsay Watson. Thanks for watching the WKBN 27 First News YouTube channel. If you want more video news, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the WKBN 27 First News app for breaking news alerts.